Now, what should be the angle between the two plane mirrors so that whatever be the angle of incidence, the incident ray and the reflected ray from the two mirrors be parallel to each other. So it's very simple question. They are saying that we will have a two mirrors. Okay. Let's say for example, I'll keep two mirrors like this. This is mirror 1 and this is mirror 2. Okay, it is inclined with an angle theta. They are asking what is the value of theta. What should be the angle between the two plane mirrors? What should be the angle between the two plane mirrors? Then again, what should be the angle between the two plane mirrors so that whatever be the angle of incidence, your angle of incidence may be any kind, your incident ray in any way, like this or like this, like this, whatever may be the angle of incidence, then the incident ray and reflected ray from the two mirrors be parallel to each other. They said that two important things. One thing is your angle of incidence for the first mirror may be any way, whatever you take, and after reflection what will happen? Incident ray and reflected ray, they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. So by using these two conditions, we have to calculate the angle between the two plane mirrors. Condition 1, you take any angle of incidence, no problem. After taking any angle of incidence, then after reflection, when you pass a ray of light to the reflecting surface of first mirror, what will happen? It gets reflected and it will strike to the another mirror, that we call it as a double reflection. So after striking to the second mirror, it is coming in parallel direction. Let us consider this. See, let's say you have incident a ray of light like this. Clear? Then it will strike here. Then it will go like this. Now these two rays are parallel, but they are represented in opposite direction. This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. The incident ray and reflected ray, they are parallel, but their directions are opposite. That means deviation produced in this case is 180 degree. So when you are taking same direction, theta will be 0. When you are taking one is in one direction, another one is in opposite direction, means theta will be 180 degree. Okay. So here they said that according to that condition, we have taken one ray of light is incident here. After reflection, after striking to first mirror, then it will go and strike to second mirror. After that it will come back. That means two rays, that means one is incident ray, another one is reflected ray, both are parallel. If both are parallel, at this condition, to happen parallel condition, incident ray and reflected ray both should come parallel to each other. To make that parallel to each other, what must be the angle between the two mirrors? What is the angle between the two mirrors so that it can happen? Clear? Okay. Now coming to this, when two mirrors are inclined with certain angle theta, we have deviation formula. Delta is equal to 360 degree minus 2 theta. So 180 degree, 360 degree minus 2 theta. Bring here and transfer this. 2 theta is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. Then what will happen here? This is 180 degree. Of course, therefore theta is equal to 180 degree divided by 2, that gives 90 degree. That means your mirror should hold 90 degree to each other. Angle between this is 90 degree. Okay. When they are holding with 90 degree each other, then what will happen? Then your incident ray and reflected ray both will become parallel to each other. Clear? Option B is the right choice.